Hello viewers, welcome to Level Up. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So here I welcome you again to my channel. Do like and subscribe my channel and like my videos and subscribe my channel. So today I am going to talk something about series completion, and I want to just remind you that we are on the process of B.Ed first paper preparation. So this is one of the part of the first paper only which you will get in exam. So let us see how to solve this type of an question. So now in this type of an question, basically you have to study the figure. So when you study the figure, you have to see whether the figure is moving rightward, okay, or it is moving leftward. You have to see the sequence. Now if you can see that it is moving downward or it is moving outward. Sometime it is moving in clockwise, okay, that means in this way, and sometime it is reverse, which is called anti-clockwise, okay, right? Now sometime it can be a mirror image also, like if it is the figure is like this, the other figure will be in this sequence, okay. So this is called mirror effect, okay. So now in this kind of an sequence, you have to see that which one your question is saying. Like I have taken a question, this is an example, I will show you how to solve this. In this case, see it in case of the first box, okay, in the case of first box, the cross, this is the cross, this cross is here, okay, and in the next box the cross came to the corner, that means it is moving anti-clockwise, it is moving in this way, first of all, not this way, it is moving in this way, okay. So in the next step the cross is here, okay. Now if you will see in the next one, it should be here, but it has gone this side, okay. That means first it has moved one step, that means here. After that it has moved two steps, it has skipped this part and it has come to the next part, okay, that's why it is here. And in the next step again, if you will observe, it has moved one step ahead, okay. So that means this cross is moving first one step, and then in the next one it is moving two step, okay. That means if we have an answer, then if we are drawing an answer figure, this cross is moving one step here, that means if it is here, then next one it will be moving two part, that means not here, it will move here. So it will take two step, one step and the second step, that means in the next figure, in your answer figure, your cross should be here, okay. And as per, you will be given options in the question, and you will be asked that which one answer figure is your correct one, okay. Definitely I'm going to show you certain examples also, but as per now, with this example I want to make you clear, okay. So first of all, in this figure it is moving anti-clockwise, okay, and then it is moving one step, and then in the next one it is moving two steps, okay, not here, it has moved here, then one step, that means it will be here. That means suppose if this is your square, then first the cross was here, then it has moved one step, it has come here, then it has moved two step, it has skipped this part and it has come here, okay. Then it will move here, and then it will go again two step, it will skip this part and it will come to this part, okay. So this is all about today's part, like beginning of the series completion. Hope you all have clear. So do like and comment on my videos, which videos you want to see for B.Ed preparation paper 1. So do like and subscribe my channel and encourage my efforts. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.